Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirrabbilalamin. Assalatu wassalamu ala asyrafil anbiya wal mursalin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in amma ba'd. Okay, this is the second video of second assessment. What we think about India. Okay. India is a country which is included in the ASEAN continent, which has the second largest population in the world after China. With a population more than 1 billion people, the state of India led by Ramnath Kovind, India also has the following characteristic. Has the highest altitude in the world, namely Mount Himalayas, which is commonly called Mount Everest, with an altitude of 8,849 meters. So there is Kashmir Valleys in India, are dubbed as the paradise of India. So Indian countries are well known for their Indian film and dance industry. The climate cycle in India has three phases, namely the southwestern monsoon, warm season, winter, and summer. So, and in general, almost 75% of the population of India work as a farmer. The types of agriculture in the country are rice and wheat. India also has an educational system consisting of primary, secondary, senior secondary, and higher education. One thing that interesting about the education system in India is that almost all students in that country learn to use books because books in India are very cheap and good quality. So they are also famous for their proficiency writing quickly and in large number, as well as the language they often use, not only using Hindi but also using English as the second language that they often use. So this country has various cultures, as Eastern India, which has the characteristic of its people who have faces like China's people. Not only that, they also have their own culture, such as Diwali memorials, Lat Holi, Nang Panchanai, and others, I think. So in India, there are also various kinds of tribes, such as the Bengali tribes, the Chakma tribes, the Suku Gujarat, the Khasi tribes, so the Mizo tribe, and the Tamil tribes, and others. So India is also famous for its various amazing and historical places, such as Taj Mahal, Ambar Palace, Hawa Mahal, Red Fort, Agra Fort, and others. So the religious population in India varies according to the 2011 census. 79% adheres to Hinduism, 14% adheres to Islam, and the remaining 6% adheres to other religions. Christian, Sikh, Buddhist, Jain, and various beliefs based on the indigenous ethnicity. Okay, from the culture, the India culture has varies like it vast geography. People speak in different language, dress differently, follow different religions, eat different food, but are of the same temperament. So, whether it is a joyous occasion or a moment of grief, people participate wholeheartedly. Feeling the happiness or pain of festival or celebration is never constrained to family or home. The whole community or neighborhood is involved in bringing liveliness to an occasions. Likewise, an India wedding is a celebration of union not only of the bride and the groom, but also of two families, maybe cultures or religion too. Similarly, in times of sorrow, neighbors and friends play an important part in easing out the grief. So, from these science, the global image of India is that of an upcoming and progressive nation. True, India has leaped many boundaries in all sectors commerce, technology and development and etc. In the recent past yet, she has not neglected her other creative genius, wondering what is it? Well, it the alternative science that has been continuously practiced in India since time immemorial. So, a very important aspect of India in the recent past in the emergence of the new age woman. Women in India are predominantly homemakers. So, though this perspective is changing in many places, especially metros and other cities, women are the bread earners of the house or are at par with their male counterparts. The increase in the cost of living economy has also contributed to rise in this aspect. So at the last, the beauty of the Indian peoples lies in their spirit for tolerance, give and take, and a composition of cultures that can be compared to a garden of flowers of various colors and shade of which while maintaining their own entity and light harmony and beauty to the garden India. Okay, maybe just this I know about India. So for many mistake, maybe from pronunciation and my less knowledge about India, I think so. I say so sorry. Okay, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.